So I'm here at Manchester Place in Verdon. This is one of our latest buildings, so I'm just going to do a quick tour around. So this is the main living area. As you can see, there is the front door. As you come through the main area, this is your dining area right here. Into the kitchen, where you got your stove and your fridge and a dishwasher. So that's first for us. And as you come back out the kitchen, we go down the hallway to the 4-piece bathroom over here, and then you go into the laundry room. So they got the home, a water tank, and then they got a washer and dryer. Got their own electrical. As you come through, straight across the hall, this is bedroom number 2, so it's a little bit smaller. Got plenty of room for a second bedroom or an office. And then back to the hallway, then into the main bedroom. So same length, just a little bit wider. And then check this out. You have the very own walk-in closet. So not many more apartments like this. Washer, dryer, dishwasher, and a walk-in closet on a 2-bedroom.